today's Friday. We all know what that means. That means Jackson gets to have McDonald's for breakfast. Let's go. Oh. Oh. Oh shit, EFTPOS is unavailable. Damn son, I better go get some cash out. Can I get a big brekkie burger and a meal please? Can I get an iced latte? That's it, thanks. Awesome, thank you. See ya. Awesome. Awesome. Thank you, you too. Oh. Let's go. Boom. Bada bing. Bada boom. Pop. And I'll let out a little yeah. Alright, I'm gonna enjoy this. Don't watch me. Hello. Yes, I did put those things there just so I could swap them off the bench. I got sushi, bubble tea, and a package. We'll do the package first. Well, in case you were blind, these are like little neon lights. Fuck. There we go. 1, 2. This one lights up pink, this one green. I'll show them in a sec. Someone just pulled into my driveway. These are actually pretty cool. Damn, look at it glow. Fuck yeah.
Good morning, Kansas City Tattoo.
Hey, how's it going? How busy are you guys today?
Not bad yourself. All good. I'll see you at 2 p.m.
Alright, no worries.
Cheers, mate. See ya.
See ya. Alright, we're here today down in Cairns. We're going round 2 on the tattoo.
That's nice, mate.
We're gonna get that exact seahorse tattooed on me somewhere.
Fucking find out.
Let's go there.
Go and try your luck. Test me in again, we let it rain. Please don't start us up. Got that black and white, that yin and yang. Mr. Officer, please don't search us, we don't got a thing. Tell her park it up. Then that ass be poking out them jeans. I've been sparking up. Like the fireworks, I keep the flame hurt.
Basically, it's tradition at this point on the vlogs where we come and stay here down at the beach at Max's parents' apartment. We're getting on a party bus to Savo for our friend Trinity's birthday. Here we are. Got the fit on. Uber's right there.